Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my another video. Hope you all are doing good, and if you are preparing for any exam, do let me know how is your preparation going. So yes, today I'm back with a very interesting video. Hopefully you'll find it not only interesting but also helpful. And from the title itself you have got to know the subject of this video. Trust me, today's video will be interesting. Actually, I was thinking to get myself a new bag for the longest time now, but either I was not getting time, or whenever I used to get time, it is very difficult to get myself a bag that I can carry to court, because I have to carry files. So the bag that will fit all my files, that size, it's very difficult to get that size. So finally I got myself a new bag. I came back home just now. I got freshened up. I took a bath because it is so hot outside, and I was thinking to shift my belongings, all my belongings, from my old bag to new bag. And then I thought, why not shoot this video and also along with that show you what I carry in my bag. As I said, this video will not only be exciting, interesting, but also be helpful if you are a working professional, or if you have just, if you are in my field only, if you are an advocate, or if you are a budding advocate, you have just passed LLB and you are joining practice. So you will get a lot of idea as to what to carry in your bag. So yeah, let's go. So yeah, this is the bag I use. This is the bag I have been using since like almost more than 2 years. So I'll be shifting all my belongings from this bag to my new bag, which is this. See, almost same size. I generally prefer bags like this size only, so that I can carry all my files here. You can say, why don't I use a backpack? Because a backpack is the most appropriate bag, to be honest, for those who are in my profession. But I somehow don't feel comfortable, don't feel confident. These are my types. So I have always preferred side bags ever since my college days. So yeah, so let's now see what is in my bag. And do let me know, which bag do you like better, this one, the old one, or the new one. So the first thing, so as you can see, it has two chains. One chain and another chain is this. This chain got damaged, so I had to repair this chain. And the reason why I'm changing this bag is that this thing, after 2 years, after like more than 2 years, the condition of the bag is totally fine. But this is something that happens like both the corners. See? So this is the reason I'm changing this bag. Otherwise this bag is very good. I carried like hell a lot of stuff. Like when I used to go to the tuition, right after tuition I used to go to the court. So everything from books to copies to files, everything I used to carry in this bag only. Yeah, this bag is very helpful. Without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing I have in this bag, is, so you will be seeing, first of all let me say, you will be seeing everything that I have carried in this bag today. So first, files. See, these are the sizes of files I carry in my bag. File number 1, folder, file number 2, file number 3, file number 4, and these much papers. These much papers means these are the stamp papers. Right? So yeah, this is the first folder, is first. So the first one is empty, first chain. In the second chain, see, this is the second chain. First, hanky, purse, water bottle, which is full, because I took it like that only, and it was like it got very hot, so I had to buy cold water, and I had it. So yeah, I got the full bottle back home. So this is the, this is my sunglass box actually. As you can see, I wear glasses. So whenever I am outside, I carry this glass in my box and I use this sunglass. And if I'm in the court, I carry this, I keep this sunglass in the box and I wear glasses. So I carry only one box. Obviously, umbrella. At times I keep biscuit, or at times I keep dry fruits. So today I had this biscuit, which again I did not have because I did not feel like having. I only had cold water and that is all. Plastic just in case. A bag. Now this is the bag I carry. I just keep it like that only without looking at it anytime, like although happened, but I don't take risk. It only has few rupees, like changes like 10 rupees, 20 rupees, 30 rupees, just in case I ever forget purse at home or anything, you never know what happens when, right? So in case of emergency, I just keep this bag like this only, and I just completely forget about it, so that whenever, if any day, anytime I fall short of cash or anything happens, this can be my savior. So yeah, this is all about it. At times, max to max, I carry 100 or 200 bucks in this bag. So yeah, this is another bag, emergency bag, you can say. And last but not the least, I have this. Now this is everything, like this is almost everything that that an advocate needs, that advocate like me needs, because since I am basically, for many of you do not know the field I work in, I am basically working in real estate field. So the things, the stationaries are very important in my field. So I will be sharing what is in this bag of mine. Okay, I'll share it later. So yeah, this is again the third thing. I also have sanitary napkins, which I'm not showing. I'm not comfortable showing these things, but for those who are, since I said from this video, you will be, you'll be having idea what to carry or what not to carry. So for that only I mentioned this thing. Do not forget to carry your sanitary napkins. This will be very much helpful. Now in the back chain, I have another back chain. In the back chain, I have few more stuffs. This is sanitizer, pocket perfume. Since I travel in Rapido a lot, a head cap. Okay, another hanky. Pen, pencil, another pencil, lipstick. I carry lipstick because nothing goes affected, like your hair is okay, your kajal is okay, or even if it is not okay, that is totally fine. But if you put lipstick on your lips while going out, and then after 3 to 4 hours your lips feel chapped, so to avoid that only I carry lipstick. Otherwise even this is not needed, but you can also carry lip balms. I generally carry a nude lipstick. And some, these are the perfume, small perfume boxes. And yeah, that's it. That's all about it. And I have some coins, some changes, and one clip. Like, that's it. Yes. So this was all in my bag, and I will now show you what I carry in this bag of mine. See, ink pads, very important in our field. Photos, some important documents, some small photos of mine. Small paper knife, a glue, green, blue, black. I even had red pen, I don't know, black pens, whitener, scissors, my stamp. This is my stamp. I generally don't use it. I prefer to sign it on my own, but just in case I have to or I feel like I use it. Stapler. I'm forgetting sellotape. Oh yeah, red ink, 2 more pens, eraser, like everything. I carry everything. Like we need it, and even if we don't, I prefer to carry everything. These are the clips, like binder clips. We need it, like we work with papers only, so we never know when we feel the need of it. So I carry these things, clips. And this is another whitener, right? And this is a rubber band just in case. This is another rubber band just in case. This is a pin. I keep a pin like this only in paper, stick to a paper pin. And medicine for emergency. Oh yeah, another eraser, some gems clip. So yeah, this was all about it. This was all in my bag. As I said, this will be interesting, and hopefully this what is in my bag is different from the many videos you must have seen till now, because I don't carry typical things that we generally women carry, because for obvious reasons, because since I carry a shoulder bag, I cannot make it very heavy, because if I carry a very heavy bag on a regular basis, that will harm me only. So I try to keep it like, only I try to keep only important things. The things I can avoid, I do avoid. But if you carry backpacks, if you think you have much more spaces, you can carry a sunscreen with yourself as well, because that will be, that is needed. You can carry some more stuffs as well if you feel like, if you think it is important. But for me, these are the things that I cannot do without, especially when I am in court. So other than this, I generally don't carry anything. Number one, I don't have any space left in my bag, and number two, I if it is possible to keep the bag light, I try to keep the bag light, because I carry the shoulder bag. So yeah, that was all about it. Hopefully this video has been helpful to you. If you have found it helpful, do like the video, and if you are new to my channel, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. And I'll come back with another video. Till then, do take care. I'll see you soon. Bye.